My name is L. Baba Fakhruddin from CSC branch. My topic is CPU scheduling with an example. CPU scheduling with example. Introduction to CPU scheduling. CPU scheduling is a processor that allows the operating system to allocate the CPU to multiple processes. It is essential for efficient utilization of CPU resources in a multitasking environment. The goal of CPU scheduling is to maximize the system performance by minimizing the waiting time of processes. Types of CPU schedulings. There are three types of CPU schedulings: primitive, non-primitive, and hybrid. Primitive scheduling allows the operating system to interrupt the currently running process. Non-primitive scheduling does not allow the interruption of the running process until it completes. First come, first served FCFS scheduling. FCFS is the simplest CPU scheduling algorithm. Processes are executed in the order they arrive in the ready queue. If suffers from the convey effect where shorter processor get stuck behind longer ones. Shortest job next SJN scheduling. SJN selects the process with the smallest burst time to execute next. It minimizes the average waiting time, also known as shortest job first. SJFS scheduling. Round robin RR scheduling. RR is a primitive scheduling algorithm where each processor is assigned a fixed time slice. When a time slice expires, the process is moved to the back of the ready queue. It provides fair allocation of CPU time among processes but may suffer from high context switch overhead. Priority scheduling. Priority scheduling assigns a priority to each processor and executes the highest priority process first. It may suffer from starvation if lower priority process never get a chance to execute. Again is a technique used to prevent starvation by gradually increasing the priority of waiting process. Example of CPU scheduling. Consider three processes P1 and P2 and P3 with burst times 10 minutes seconds, 5 milliseconds and 8 milliseconds respectively. Using SJN scheduling, the order of execution would be P2, P3, P1. The average waiting time for these processes would be 0 plus 5 plus 10 by 3 equals to 5 milliseconds. How to calculate waiting time for a process? Three processes P1, P2, P3 with related information are given in the following table. Processor 1 burst time 40 milliseconds, P2 20 milliseconds, P3 10 seconds. Arrival time 0, 15, 20. If you use a primitive shortest job first scheduling algorithm to schedule the three processes, make a get chart and calculate different waiting times of three processors. Multi-level queue scheduling. Multi-queue scheduling divides the ready queue into multi-queues based on priority. Each queue may have its own scheduling algorithm. Processes move between queues based on their priority levels. Multi-level feedback queue scheduling. Multi-level feedback queue scheduling is an essential extension of multi-level queue scheduling. It allows processes to move between queues based on their behavior and resource requirements. Again, is used to prevent starvation and ensure fair scheduling. Conclusion: CPU scheduling is a critical component of operating systems to optimize resources utilization. Different scheduling algorithms have their strengths, and weakness. The choice of scheduling algorithm depends on the system requirement and workload characteristics. Thank you for